my channel Craze to Code. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the if-else statements in Java. Today we will also be doing a simple program using these if-else statements. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now these if-else program fall into a broad category known as conditional statements. Now you might be wondering, what are these conditional statements? Well, let me tell you. Based on the input from the user, the computer decides and displays the correct output. That is what a conditional statement means. Let's take an example. They're asking you a simple true or false question. Now the right answer is true, but if you type in false, it will come wrong, and if you type in true, it will come right. That is the perfect example for a conditional statement. Now these conditional statements are again divided into two categories, and they are if and switch. In this video, we will only be focusing on part of the if conditional statement. Now the format for this if-else statement is if. Then you have your condition. Then within curly brackets you have your first statements. Then else. Then again within curly brackets you have your second statement. Now let's move on and do a simple program using if-else statements. First, you obviously need to create a new project and then create a new class. I am going to be naming the class as if-else with capital I and capital E. Now double click to open and delete all the unnecessary statements. For this program to work, we need to import the Java Util package. So type in import java.util. Your multiplication symbol, semicolon, and hit enter. Now type in your class. Once you're done with that, hit enter and open a curly bracket. Now type in your method. It is going to be public static void main open brackets string with a capital S, args which stands for arguments, open box bracket, close brackets, and hit enter. Now open your method block. Now from the Java Util package we need a scanner, right? So call it out. Type in scanner sc equals new scanner open brackets system.in, and don't forget to end the statement by adding a semicolon. Now before we move on any further, let me tell you what this program is about. So in this program, I want the computer to ask me to enter my age, and after I enter my age, if I am older than 18, the computer should display that I am eligible to vote. But if I am under 18, it should display I am not eligible to vote. Now for that to work, type in system.out.println, enter your age within brackets and within quotes. Now don't forget to end your statement using a semicolon. Once you're done with that, we need to create an object. So go ahead and type in int. Name your object. In my scenario, it's going to be age equal to sc dot next int with a capital I, open brackets, close brackets, semicolon, and hit enter. Now we need to type in the syntax for the if-else statement. As we saw earlier, it all starts by typing it if, then opening bracket. Now we have to type in our condition. In this scenario, our condition is going to be if age greater than 17. Then you need to type in your statement. So hit enter and open curly bracket. Now type in system.out.println, open brackets, open double quotes, you are eligible to vote. Now close double quotes and close brackets. don't forget to add the semicolon. Now once you're done with that, close your curly brackets. Now we move on to the else stage. To type in else, hit enter, open curly brackets, type in system.out.println, you are not eligible to vote, close brackets, semicolon, hit enter and close your curly brackets. Now after you're done with that, it's the end of the program. See, that was simple, right? So end your program by adding 2 more extra curly brackets. Now let's run the program and see if it works. See, the computer is asking me to enter my age. My age is 13 and I entered it and it said you are not eligible to vote. In this same scenario, if I had written my age is 21 for example, it would have said I am eligible to vote. Now let's summarize what we learned today. Today we learned what is conditional statements. We also learned the format for if-else statements and we did a simple program using them. Now just a quick reminder guys, this program will be given in the Craze to Code website. Links will be given down below in the description. Go check it out. Now if you like this video, it wouldn't hurt to hit the like button. Also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and smash that notification bell so that you stay notified at all times. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you guys in the next one. Peace.